Alright, welcome back guys. So for today we are going to continue our lesson. Last time we have built this as a prayer time, but remember this is just a template that we don't import the real data yet. So for the next video we will continue to put the real data of the prayer, and it will be based on your location as well. So we will calculate the real API to put the real time prayer based on your location. So for now we are going to create the new widget. We call it as a calendar. So let's start. I'm going to continue create a calendar widget and add it to screen home screen. All right, so let them generate it. So you can hear, so this is the location of the widget. Since we already have the widget folder, so let me copy only the file of the calendar. So now I'm going to go to the project. All right, so find here is the widget folder. So I'm going to create the new file and name it as calendar. So here we have the calendar widget. So let's scroll down and you see what is the widget look like here, and copy it and paste it here. So now we have this. So what we need to do is we need to also import the package. So let me check if we already have or not yet. I think we don't have it yet. So let's add the new. I'm going to delete this. All right, so I'm going to pass it here, and then pop get. So now you will see this. I'm going to delete this to make it clean, then you will see it clearly. So maybe I need to, yes. All right, so now I'm going to pop get again to make it clear. Okay, so what we need to do is we also need to add the widget here. Previously we have the prayer time widget, so now we're going to add the calendar widget here. It's up to you, you want to put it on the top or below the prayer time. Let's follow them first and maybe. All right, you can see that this is the calendar and here is the prayer at the bottom, but mostly I want to have the calendar widget below the prayer time. Okay, I'm going to add it here instead. Let's see. Yes, now you can see that the calendar is here, but understand that this is the normal calendar, it is not the Islamic calendar. So what we need to do is we are going to ask the ChatGPT to create the Islamic. So here what we need to do is we need to also add the Hijri date in the calendar. So now let's wait for a while. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to also add the Hijri package. I'm going to copy this package and then go down here to this part, and I'm going to pass it here. Actually, I'm going to, okay, let me remove this all unnecessary thing, because this one mostly it's not good to see that. All right, so let's now update the widget again, the calendar widget again, that now we have the calendar plus also the HRE date. Sorry, HRE date. So let's see here what we have. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to calendar here again and pass it. Let's try to refresh. I think you will see this below the date here, the Hijri, which is 15 Saban. So this is how the Hijri date come into the calendar. So we have the calendar, we have the prayer time, but remember the prayer time is not the real data yet. We put only the template. So in the next video we will continue on that. Let's move to the next verse. So we are going to add the navigation bar. Let us them to add, okay, create a navigation bar. So what is the navigation bar is? Mostly the navigation bar is come from the bottom here. So let's see the example of the main navigation bar. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to copy this file into the screen that we have here. Okay, I'm going to copy it, and let's copy this, because this we have the home screen, we have the prayer page, we have the calendar, and we also have the setting. So let me copy this to navigation bar, and then let's create also the prayer page here. This is the prayer page. Remember, prayer page is different from the widget, which means that you can put any page that you want to put. It's just the small part inside the page, but the page, which means the detail of that uh, data of that the I mean, for example, the calendar, which means that detail of the calendar. So the widget can only view the card like this. So every page you can add the widget, but inside you want to create the new page, which means the whole screen. Okay, let's create the prayer page. I'm going to go to the screen again, and then file and create. Okay, so now I'm going to pass this. All right, so the next is we are going to also create the calendar page. Okay, the page here, and just put the calendar page. So we don't put any data yet, we just need to create the page first. All right, so we have the setting here also. Let copy all this setting. All right, so now the navigation, so change, we need to also update the flash navigation. So in the flash screen we need to change navigate from home to this main app navigation bar, and at the same time we also need to update the flash here. Okay, let's do one by one. I'm going to update the flash screen by adding this one. So go to the flash screen here that we do have here, and let's find out here. So we need to change this to this main navigation, and in the main we also need to update as well. Let me update in full for the main. The main we have this Islamic reminder theme and so on. So let's do this and let's see what is happening here. We do have this, we have this error because actually we need to import this screen here. Let me import, and then in the home screen we also have the prayer page. Let's see, do we have any prayer page here? Yes, we do have the prayer page. We also need to import the calendar page, and as well as the setting page here. So now it's almost done, but remember we also still have this class which is in the flash screen. We also need to import the main navigation bar here. Alright, so one last error that we need to fix it. I think this is the test, but there is nothing problem with this. Let's try to make it a hard refresh. Alright, so you can see this is we call navigation bar. You can make it into the prayer time, calendar, and also the setting. So okay, thank you guys. For the next video we are going to continue by building the full prayer time page and the real widget of the data of the prayer. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's wait for the next video.